Trap all day. We about to hit up another Goodwill. Goodwill stretch of gang, Clark Cartel. Trap all day. Self-powered radio. As y'all can see, we got sales for $39 plus $12 shipping. $39, $40 plus shipping. I'm gonna charge shipping on mine too. Fuck that. Then I got a GameCube controller. This is $99. I can get like at least 20 something out of this. It's been sitting here since I was here in town last week. And this is an actual Epson scanner, and the good thing about this is it actually has a 355 millimeter section where you can scan negatives and restore them. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop on this. As y'all can see, one watched in the last hour, $69, and all they want is $5 for it. Trap all day. Everybody wanna be like Mike. Oh, look, classic handbag here, people. Look at that price tag, $34. Trap all day. Flippers. I'm about to buy some weird shit. Pre-owned, these sold for $30. So it's youthful start, like some wedge, lady shoes. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these. Trap all day. Let me put my mask on. I don't feel right. Man, that fresh air when you out in the store just feel different nowadays, man. I gotta put that mask back on. Friday the 13th Blu-ray, brand new seal, killer cut. Knew that it had to be some money flippers, but let's see here. Let's go to actual sold listings. Yeah, $14, $17. So I'm gonna get this DVD. We got for $20, RESELL, whatever it's called. I don't even know how to pronounce it still, but $20. We got some little 7s. This shit beat the hell with. Got a phone like this out of here yesterday, but be on the lookout for these phones like this. They kind of look like office phones where you got like the hold button and stuff like that. Look at these prices, $34, $34. Good thing about this one is somebody took out the box and put it back in, so we actually got the box too. And that's $6, and we can get like a good $34, $40 out of here. Damn, this is a big ass monitor. What they talking about, $30? I'm paying $30 for that shit. It's something that came from Long's Drug Store. It's like some type of machine. I'm not really sure, but right here, it's not the same one, but it's one like it. It's 2 bids and it's already at $149. So, got the bag and everything with it, just like this one. So, yeah, this some type of respiratory breathing machine. Right here, fully loaded with all types of accessories, $4. I just seen the Department 56 right here, people. I'm about to scan this. Department 56, it never failed. I sold that Department 56 I got from that yard sale for $130. I paid $10 for it. I could have got $300 out of it if I just kept it up. But I actually just went on and sent an offer to, it was like 12 people watching it, and I went on and sent an offer to everybody. Y'all can see basically $20-some for this plush. Yeah, the bulb might be dead. Look at here, flippers. I do YouTube videos, so we got a laboratory lava lamp here. Check the sales, over $100, only $3.99. I knew it was something about it, cause you just don't come across lava lamps this damn big. But this looks like it's a vintage one. But this one I just picked up. Y'all can't really see it, but it's a DENON multi-zone. As y'all can see, prices is steep on it. I'm gonna have to do at least $100, $200 for it if I do free shift.